What's going on YouTube? Southern LA Outdoors here. Today we're out in the water. It's a beautiful Saturday. Temperature just right. And out here, of course, bass fishing. Alright, I already got the first fish, but didn't get him on camera, but caught that guy on the Google Squad Zinger. And we're gonna see if we can catch some more, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so what I'm doing, I'm just bombing that spinnerbait out there all the way up towards the bottom. I'm kind of giving it a steady retrieve. The first fish, he hit it about 2 feet of water. Yeah, we'll see if we get another. We're going crazy. This guy's less than a pound. So, I don't know. I'm not sure if I like the trailer on this one quite exactly right now. But yeah, I caught that guy without a trailer too. This guy, second fish of the day, probably like, I don't know, 12-inch bass. The most, yeah, pretty solid one. We'll get him out of here. All right, first one on camera. Let's go. So yeah, this is a 1/2 ounce Google Squad Zinger in just the white color. Yeah, like I got that paired up on my same rod from last week on my 610 Rouge laser MG speed stick. It has a fast action on it. So yeah, we'll get back out there and go catch them. All right, bro, we got the third bass in there. Caught the guy on the Google Squad clutch. Let's get this guy out of here. Fourth bass of the day, man. Nice solid 2-pounder probably. Got him on that spinnerbait. Let's get this guy out of here. Fifth bass of the day. The bite's starting to pick up on that spinnerbait. Solid pounder. Let's get this guy out of here. Thanks for biting, dude. Number 6 of the day. Got so many pretty black spots on him. Let's get him out of here. Thanks for biting, dude.